Hi, I'm Aaron Chang. We're here in Tonga working on a film called The Current, which is being produced by Kurt Miller, featuring Grant Corrigan, who was paralyzed in a snowmobile accident and is recovering from his paralysis by adopting a very positive attitude about life. We spent the last week with Grant in the water swimming with whales, and I have to say this experience has been one of the highlights of my career. I have been so close to them that baby whales have actually kicked my fins out of the water. It's just been a mind-bending experience, and I'd like to show you some of those pictures now.